I know I don't usually make love songs, but there's a few special girls who kind of changed my perspective on everything. And I feel like every guy comes to that point in his life where he changes from a boy into a man. So yo, this one is strictly for the ladies only.
See, when I met your stupid ass up at the mall on accident, I thought you was the baddest chick I ever seen, but that was so inaccurate. You stole my heart like you had done some magic trick. Your essence was so fabulous. You also had a sexy looking rack of tits. I only had intentions to respect your ass and that was it. I took you for a walk under the moon, we joked and laughed a bit. The chemistry was there right when we met, I had to act on it. At that moment I knew you was the girlfriend that I had to get. What happened, bitch? I swear you had me mad sprung. Our first time hanging I could've did more than I had done, but I didn't because I was nervous. In my heart you had reserved a place, so sexing you just wasn't on my mind cause you were worth the wait. Shit got to a point where you started canceling dates we made. It gave me crazy rage. You had me thinking you hate me, great. You vanished with no signs, and I ain't even know why till I found out that you had a fucking boyfriend this whole time. Why couldn't you just tell me? You had me buying plane tickets to go see your stupid ass, then you cancel on me at the last minute talking about you busy. Bitch, I'm busier than you and I still make time for your bitch ass. Fuck you!
I should've fucked you when I had the chance to. Now I'm sitting alone in my house, and I'm wishing you'd call me right now, baby. Perhaps I should've been less nicer than I was to you, cause it seems like all the good girls go for bad guys, and good guys get left behind.
I swear I'm sick of this being stuck in predicaments, getting the shitty end of the stick and it's never different. Hours spent on the phone as I'm listening to your gibberish. Blah blah blah, your mind was scrambled, I tried to configure it. I'm not one you should move past, these player guys you choose that. To me you're worth a lot more than what they had valued you as. Only reason they hollered was because you got a cute ass. They just want you for sex and then they move on to a new task. Your actions show your true class, I think you're moving too fast. Dating these strangers can be dangerous, they rarely do last. But you just too blinded to see, it's like a disease. The guy that you've been looking for was more than likely me. But now I'm on some fuck you type shit. Your mind is so indecisive, bitch, cry. I'll no longer be a tissue that you could wipe with. You just trifling, you get screwed so much I'm thinking that you like it. My prediction on your future's always right, I must be psychic. Damn. See, I ain't even trying to affiliate myself with stupid people like you.